Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stacy Quinn. I'm the proud owner of Bossy Glam Boutique. And in this video, I am going to be talking about a few of the digital products that I offer for aspiring boutique owners, or if you're a boutique owner and you're just kind of at your wit's end, you've tried everything, nothing works, this video is for you. I wanted to create something that was more economical for boutique owners. With this economy, nobody's trying to pay outrageous prices for coaching. Of course, I do offer one-on-one coaching, one-on-one consulting, and you can always book a one-on-one call with me. I created something that was more economical for you guys to download, and you can play as many times as you want. Okay, so my first digital download is what I specialize in. It's my bread and butter. It's my Facebook ads crash course. Listen, this is no fluff. It's no technical talk. This is just one boutique owner talking to another. The price of the Facebook ads crash course is $27, but it is a in-depth look at how to run Facebook ads. As many of you know, I cleared over $1 million in sales within the first 3 years of me opening my boutique, and 90% of that was generated through Facebook ads. Facebook ads is my bread and butter. I eat, sleep, and breathe Facebook ads. I kid you not. So I just wanted to share everything that I know in this crash course. It shows you how to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads. I know there are a lot of companies that want to charge you thousands of dollars to show you how to do Facebook ads. I got you covered. So if you've been burnt before by a Facebook ad guru and you felt like you didn't get any type of value, you really don't have much to lose with buying my $27 course, because it's cut and dry, it's straight to the point, and it just gives you all the information that you need. If you still need help with Facebook ads after the fact, of course, you can always email me at support@bossyglamworks.com. All of this information is going to be linked in the description of this video. I know that I am a hands-on person. Me personally, I can read a digital download all day, but I need to sit down with someone and actually have them explain to me why. Why are we doing this? Why are we doing that? I didn't reinvent the wheel. I just stuck with something that worked, and I remained consistent. That's it. With Facebook ads, you have to be willing to invest in your business. This is not something that you can just throw $5 a day on and hope for the best. It's not like how it was from 2020 to 2022. If you were running Facebook ads between that time, baby, we was all winning. We was all winning. What a time to be alive. Do you hear me? But there was an update with Apple iPhones, the iOS 14 update, which I don't know if, for those of you who have an iPhone, I know when you download a new app, it'll say, would you like for this app to track your data? Well, duh, 90% of the people are going to say, no, I don't want people knowing what I'm doing or what I'm looking for. So that hurt a lot of us business owners that rely on Facebook ads. So it's a lot more tailored around that change. If you were in the boutique game back then, around COVID time, that is out the window, in my opinion, and based on my experience. So this is going to be tailored more towards the post Apple iOS 14 update. You'll learn how to create your first high converting campaign. It talks about which types of ads to run and when to run them. And in this digital course, I will show you my exact $10 a day strategy that gets results. I talk about what metrics to measure. I know if you've ever ran Facebook ads, there's so many different things going on at the top of that bar in your ads manager. I talk about what metrics to look for and what metrics to ignore. There's a lot of them on there that I don't even gauge my results on. There are some key important ones that are going to be important with building your business and growing your business through Facebook ads. And with this digital download, you will get my bonus Facebook ad checklist, basically checking off what you need to do, what you shouldn't do, just to make sure you have all your ducks in a row. Again, this is a self-paced course. When you're ready to go all in and fully invest, I would highly recommend that you download this course. One of the digital downloads that I offer is called the Bossy Glam Boutique Playbook. This is if you're an aspiring boutique owner and you're starting from scratch. Basically, you have no idea how to get started. You don't want to pay thousands of dollars for a boutique coach. I talk about how to get clear on your boutique's purpose and your ideal customer. I also discuss what to focus on first, even if you have a small budget, how to source inventory, choose vendors, and avoid scams, tips for branding, marketing, social media, and what not to do when launching your boutique. I talk about that as well. People always tell you, do this, do that. I'm going to tell you what not to do, okay? Also encouraging you to trust your voice and stay in your lane and find your niche. A lot of people see boutique owners that are very successful and they'll copy, paste, not knowing the struggle of that boutique owner. You don't know what that person has been through. You don't know their story. You don't know how they connect with their community, their customers, their audience. I see a lot of boutique owners, and these are, some people are well seasoned in the game, still stuck in the same spot because they're too busy watching the next person, seeing what they sell. Oh, they sell a lot, then they must be really successful. I'm going to do that too. And not only am I going to do that, I'm going to copy her pictures and chop the neck off. Tacky. I talk about how to find your own lane. And that is a lot of trial and error. You really have to listen to your customers and find your own voice. Stay in your own lane and don't copy. That is discussed in the digital download as well. This particular download is perfect for new boutique owners, someone who is looking to generate a new stream of income, and for anybody that's willing to finally just bet on themselves, Another digital product that I offer, the Bossy Glam pre-order blueprint. I used to be so afraid to find vendors from overseas. I didn't trust them. It took forever to get the product. And trust me, I have been burned. I've lost money. I've had to refund customers. And now I've found the perfect groove with overseas vendors. Normally, for a long time, I would source my vendors from LA, and I still do. But a lot of those businesses have closed down, so I had to pivot. A lot of my products now are sourced overseas. Why I chose to do that, and I said I would never, ever do this. But the reason why I did it, I bought so much inventory when I first started. I bought thousands and thousands of dollars worth of inventory only to be stuck with a bunch of small sizes that I cannot sell. This is going to vary from boutique to boutique. Most of my customers wear sizes large to 3X. Those are my core sizes. So I have so much inventory that's just sitting. I've marked it down. I've done everything. This is from when I first started. Because of the overhead costs and the cost of pushing that inventory, my business is more based on pre-orders now. And in this digital download, I talk about how to stop wasting money on sizes that you don't need. So again, I do still have a couple of core vendors that I order from. I used to order multiple packs, but now I order one pack and I see how that pack is gonna do. And I have a couple of customers who are loyal, diehard customers, just regular, and they're super petite. And those are I hate to say this, but those are some of my most favorite customers because they are helping me get rid of inventory that I cannot move. I talk about what to say to your customers, what not to do. It's just, if you're wanting to focus your business on pre-orders and not coming up off of so much money on the front end, this digital download is for you. I also talk about how to handle delays, how to get your customers to trust you, chargebacks, anything that's associated with a pre-order, because you are going to run into some snags with this. And I'll probably do a video talking about pre-orders for sure. If you're wanting to do pre-orders in your business, I think this is a good good download for you. And I also have a coaching bundle. So if you bought some of the digital products and you're having questions on them, I offer a 3-session coaching bundle. It's for $197, and you can move the dates around, and it's really just a one-on-one session, and we'll talk about what you're struggling with. So you get 3 sessions, 1 hour each, and it's for $197. So that's it for this video, guys. Again, I just wanted to pop in and tell you about the wonderful downloads that I offer on my website. I'm probably going to be adding more. I have been through a lot in the past 5 years that I've owned my boutique. So if I didn't think of something that you're needing help on, leave me a comment or send me an email and I'll do a video on it. And if you want more knowledge on it, I'll create a course if I get enough feedback. So be sure to like, be sure to share, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful boutique tips. And I'll see you guys on the next video, and thanks for watching.